In this video, I'm going to demonstrate doing server-side HTML video overlays with AntMedia Server. You can do add overlay insertion, whiteboard integration using Tiadro or Whiteboard. You can do scoring, countdown, news stickers, weather boxes, clocks. With Singular Live or overlays.uno, you have access to hundreds of ready-to-go templates for your videos. On top of this, you can build your own HTML overlays using CSS and JavaScript with no limits. Let's see how does it work. First, let's see where are the points in a typical video pipeline where you can add your overlays. You can do it on the camera or encoder side, but this requires a smart device, access to data, but it scales very well. You can do it in the media server itself, which my plugin does, where you have central control. You are independent from the sources, and the overlays cannot be easily removed. Last but not least, you can do it in the player, where you can personalize the overlays, but this requires a smart player, and the overlays can be removed. In this hackathon project, I have developed HTML overlay feature for Stamp and Media Server plugin. With Stamp, the signal is modified on the server side. The input video can come from anywhere, and AntMedia Server uses transcoding to manipulate the image, and Stamp uses an embedded Chromium to render the HTML on top of the video. The whole process is controlled by REST API calls, where you have to specify the URL, the size, and the position information of the overlay. Let's see how this works through the story of a hypothetical space launch. Here I'm controlling the overlays on the right-hand side using Singular.live control panel. In this example, I'm using Whiteboard to draw on the video using my mouse. The changes are visible immediately. Here you can see a typical live bug using overlays.uno.